Did you know you can make money by listening to music? Among the many ways of earning money online, listening to music is one of them. Just by signing up for the websites mentioned in this video, you can boost your pocket money by a good margin. If you listen to one song you will earn $3, and if you listen to 5 songs you will earn $10, and more you listen to music more you make money. As you see, this person made more than $900. So what you need to do is simply go to Google and search for pixabay.com and search for music. If you can't find it, just tapping pixabay.com/music. In this part you will see royalty-free music downloads, 1,000 of music and audio tracks, free for commercial and non-commercial use. It's free for everyone to enjoy listening to it or use it in another things, and if we scroll down here you see that you can search for a lot of things, for artists, songs, genre, moods, and more. And if you keep scrolling down here you will find thousands of tracks and music that you can download it, in any device, and you don't have to pay for this. But for us, we are going to use this source of music to make money with this nice trike that I will show you right now. But before that, here is a proof that people make money every day in this website. This person here made $11. This one here earned $37. This one made $25. This person made $48. And there is a lot of another smart guys, they make money every day using this method. Even if you are a beginner, and if you never made money online before, you can do it. So be sure you have your laptop or your smartphone to start working and make money. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to channel for the new making money online tricks. And if you want to be one of the Eagle Tech Army and learn about making money online, hit the like button and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So like you see, in this page there are 1,000 of songs and music tracks, so all what you need to do is just simply find a good song that you really like it and download it. And to do this step, just go on to the left side of this page, and you will find different genre of music, electronic, upbeat, beats, beautiful plays, main title, alternative hip-hop, modern classic, ambient, and many other genre. Just click on show more. And you find a lot of different types of music. And every song can make you $5. Just keep watching this video to know how exactly. The next step now, it's just go and play on the play button and the song going to start. You just listen to it until the end, and you can repeat one more time to make sure that you really like the song, and others may like too, and you can download it. Now let's move to next step. Firstly, let's search for a song. For me, I will searching in pop genre. Why? Because pop songs are the most popular songs, and you can easily make money with this genre. Now let's practice the sniper method. We press the play button and we listen to the song. If we like it, we download it, and we repeat that more and more. Remember that more you listen to music, more you download songs, more you make money. Now let's continue. All the previous steps, it's just for this next step. Now go to this website up-forever.com. Up-forever, it's the center to upload files and images, which, as well as being free, it pays you, so you can make money from home. So, now we know how we get paid, just by uploading music in this website. Maybe one of you guys will say, what if we upload the same songs? I will say that this website has 1,000 of traffic from the worldwide, and that mean a lot of traffic looks for tracks and songs like these, and as you can see in this page, that we can upload files safely, and withdraw profits from the various payment methods, or you can convert the profits into products. So the system of this website works is that when someone download your file, that you have uploaded onto their website, they will be shown some ads which they can choose to skip or watch, and this platform is sharing that ad revenue with you, and that very nice for the both of you, everyone makes money. Now let's see a real live example on how you can multiply your earnings, and before that, remember to subscribe. We need to get 10K as soon possible, and press the like button, and submit your country in comments below, to keep making videos and show you new tricks that works in your region. Now let's go back to our video. I forget to mention that to sign up in this website, it's very easy, and it may take you less than a minute. You just need to submit your basic info, like username, password, and choose the method that you want to sign up with. After signing up, log in to your account, and search for Make Money and click on it, and scroll down. Now as you can see that they say, we have the best pricing for profit, and as you can see they have 4 tiers, and you will pay depending on where the most of downloads will coming from. For example, if most of your downloads coming from the tier 4 countries, you will get paid $3, and if your downloads come from tier 2 and 3 you will earn $4, and if you get downloads from tier 1 you will get paid $7. And scroll down here to see all the payments methods that they have. You can use PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, ADV Cash, or those one from her depending your choice. And by the way, the minimum payout it's $1. This one it's just $1. This one $1. This one $1. So when you get your first dollar you can withdraw it easily to your account. And the very beautiful thing in this website that they have about 5 ways that can make money from it, and the best one here it's that, where we able to sell these files through my account with a price that I fix. Like they say here you can start selling your files now through your account and fix your price for each file and earn up to 80% for each file you sell. Now let's log in to this friend account, and as you can see this is the dashboard, and he has more than $900 in his account, and he double her earnings by referring new people in other social media platforms. And you see he got 84 referrals, and the good things about this referrals that you will get an extra profit of 10% from the total profit of users who register on your referral link, and that very cool. In order to set this just go to upload files, and you will find all these features that you have in your website dashboard. Click on upload files. Next in this page, click on choose file, and start uploading your previous songs that you downloaded from Pixabay, or put the description of your song and make sure that it's public. After that click on start upload. After uploading your files, come here and click on this pencil icon in order to set your desired price. For this example I'm going to set $7. Then click submit, and everyone download this song I will earn $7. Now all what you need to do it's just repeat this process for all your songs that you downloaded, and just make sure to listen to the song before upload it to make sure if they are good songs. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and profit from it. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, a lot of crazy videos coming soon.